Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please give me a like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more video. And for today's video, we're going to react to Jerome Evardo May singing Can't Help Falling in Love sa Sabah, Malaysia. So without further ado, let's go! So isa rin to sa favorite ko si Jerome. Ulit na natin, game. Ang bilis, no?
Only fools rush in,
Isa rin siya sa favorite ko kasi vibrato niya.
but I can't help falling in love with you.
Di ba? Nakakamiss din. Namimiss ko rin mag-react kay Jerome kasi isa nga siya sa lagi ko nire-reactan. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng boses niya. At ang outfit niya, guys, very Elvis Presley ang atake.
Shall I stay?
Grabe yung emotion, no?
Would it be a sin
Originality.
if I can't help
Oh.
falling in love with you? Want to sing along? Come on, everybody.
Pag siya kumakanta, parang nararamdaman ko talaga na nalulungkot ako, namimiss ko yung mahal ko sa buhay. Yung music.
Like a river
Ganun din ba kayo, guys?
surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things
Go, Jerome.
are meant to be.
Di ba? My God.
Take my hand, take my whole life to
Grabe. Ikaw na talaga, Jerome.
For I can't help falling in love with you.
Di ba? Parang, ay naku. Hindi ko na ma-explain yung emotion ko kasi parang nalulungkot ako, naiiyak ako sa kanta niya. Napapasa sa akin yung emotion ko kinakanta niya.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes.
Grabe.
Some things you know are meant to be.
Ang consistent na vibrato niya. No?
Take my hand, take my whole life too.
Di ba napaka-consistent nung ano niya, yung mga runs niya, yung runs ni Elvis Presley. Yung ano, talagang kompleto niya lahat nung wala siyang napapalagpas.
For I can't falling in love
Kinikilig ako.
with you.
Grabe.
For I can't help falling in love with
Grabe na to siya.
you.
Di ba? Naku, palakpakan natin. Ang ganda ng boses talaga nito ni Jerome. Grabe nung kaya. So, pag magagaling yung mga kumakanta, parang nakakabitin. Yung parang minsan hindi mo alam na tapos na pala yung kanta. Tulad ngayon, parang kakapakinig ko lang. Tapos na. Ulit natin. Hindi tayo papayag. Oh, please.
Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Di ba? Ang nakakatuwa dito, yung music niya, yung ibig sabihin ng music talaga, kahit sino ka pa, pag tinamaan ka ng pag-ibig, magiging baliw ka rin talaga, magiging ano ka din, yung mawawala ka sa sarili mo. Kasi may mga bagay ka na ginagawa mo dahil lang sa pag-ibig, pero hindi mo naman siya dati ginagawa nung hindi ka pa in love. Love is blind.
Would it be a sin
It's not a sin. So, pumunta ka na dito. So just stay.
Falling in love
Elvis.
with you. Want to sing along? Come on.
Elvis
everybody.
Presley in the house.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be.
Ay, nakakaloka, Jerome. Ikaw na talaga. Panoorin na lang natin siya.
Take my hand, take my whole life too.
Grabe, no? Pag ganito yung kumakanta.
Falling in love with you.
Diba? Pag ganito yung kumakanta, parang wala na. Tapos na ang laban.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Something
Nabuhay talaga sa kanya yung pagkatao ni Elvis.
So take my hand, take my whole life too.
Grabe, diba? Panalo.
For I can falling in love with you.
Diba? Panalo ang boses, guys.
For I can't help falling in love with you.
Galing. Ay, naku.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Grabe, no? Pag nagre-react ako sa mga ganito, tapos biglang love song yung music, ay, naku.
My heart was scared.
Amazing talaga. But anyway, hanggang dito lang muna yung video natin, and hope na nagustuhan niyo yung reaction natin. So, if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, and click the notification button for more video. Bye-bye!
My